Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. Vidya's Management Study. First of all, thank you to all my subscribers, my viewers. Because of you only today हमारे 1000 सब्सक्राइबर कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर मोटिवेशन. जो आप वीडियो देखते हो, शेयर करते हो, लाइक करते हो, सच में it really means a lot to me. Thank you once again. So today we are going to see the 5 functions of management. जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो और हमारे 1000K की फैमिली को और बढ़ाओ. थैंक यू. सो 5 functions of management. तो सबसे पहले we are going to see what exactly means the management. So management, this words is derived from the Italian word that is manegere, which means that to handle. Management, that word is to handle. It is the process and the art of getting the things done through the people using the available resources with the aim of achieving the goals effectively and efficiently. Now we will see the detailed definition. That see, this is the art. So there is the skills it is required to get the things done through the people, right? जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस है उसका यूज़ करके यू हैव टू डू द वर्क डन. Okay, this is the skills this required in a management. And the process means what? It is the process in which you have to perform the different functions to get the things done. So what are the different functions that we are going to see in today's session? Effectiveness means what? You have to finish the whatever given task, right? And efficiency means whatever the task has been allotted to, that should be that task must be done correctly with the minimizing the cost. This is what the management. Now we will see the functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Now we will see what exactly mean the planning. Planning means what? Planning is the first and the basic functions of management. It means the future course of action. Planning, it means what you are deciding in advance. So to getting the answer of what exactly planning, where you have to ask some questions, WH type questions. So what to do, when to do and how to do. So planning basically it bridges the gap from where you are and where you want to be. It helps in problem solving, decision making, right? And planning is the systematic activity in that you have to utilize your human resources. Planning is important to avoid the confusion, risk and wastage and uncertain things, right? So planning, where it is required, if you want to develop the policies, procedure and budget, and also to formulate the strategies. So in short, planning is what you are looking forward. The next function is organizing. It means what? You have to bring the it is the process where you are bringing the 4M's. 4M means what? Man, machine, material and money. So you have to organize the thing. So in that things you have to structurize the organization well. The process it involves that you have to identify whatever the activities you are going to conduct. You have to classify the group as per the activities. You have to assign the duties, who are going to do what kind of duties. You have to delegate the authorities and the creation of your responsibility, and also who is going to complete that responsibility. So that delegation is comes under the organizing function. Next is what? Staffing. Staffing means what? Ki, here you have to utilize the resources. The main purpose of staffing is to put right person at a right job. So what points or what things comes under the manpower planning is what? Recruitment, selection, training and development, their remuneration, performance appraisal, promotion, transfer. So basically, at the right person, you have to search the perfect or the right person, right manpower, and you have to give them right place. So that is nothing but the staffing, manpower planning. Next is what? Directing. Directing means what? You have to give the direction, influence, you have to guide, supervise, motivate your subordinate for what? To achieve the organization goal. In that, supervision, motivation, leadership, communication, these things are considered. So supervision means what? You have to oversee, you have to watch and track the work what is going on. Okay. And motivation means you inspiring, stimulating, or encouraging your subordinate, your colleagues, to create that positive environment. You are pushing your subordinate with the zeal to work, right? And motivation through the either monetary or non-monetary terms, sometimes intensive works well, and also the non-monetary terms also. So these things are required and comes under the direction. Next is what? Leadership. See, leadership means what? You have to influence your whatever the members are there, okay, to do the particular work with a desired direction. So basically, to build a team spirit, leadership is required. Communication, actually the communication means what? It is the process where you are passing the information, your experience, your opinion from one person to another. So it bridges the understanding. Okay, so that's why communication is important. Next function is what? Controlling. Controlling, it is the लास्ट फंक्शन, 5 में से ये 5वां फंक्शन है कंट्रोलिंग. सो इट इम्प्लाइज the measurement of accomplishment against actual performance and your desired performance. So it is important to ensure everything is occurred with a standard. So you have to check whether what is going on in a right way or not. Okay, you have to check the progress, and this is in that few steps are considered, that you have to establish first standard performance, you have to measure the actual performance, and then you have to compare it and take the corrective action. So basically, controlling is what? Looking back and check the comparison. So thank you so much. I hope you understand the 5 functions of management. अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.